preparing the dough. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a medium-sized bowl. Make a hole in the center of the flour using a spoon or your hands. Then add the sugar, salt, olive oil, and yeast to the hole in the flour. Use 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Stir the ingredients together thoroughly. Knead the dough for 5 minutes with your hands. As you're kneading the dough, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of lukewarm water to help the dough form into a ball. When you are finished, the dough should be soft and round. Set the dough in a greased medium-sized bowl. Grease the inside of the bowl with oil. Set the bowl of dough aside on a counter. Cover the bowl with a dish towel to help the dough rise faster. If you don't have a dish towel, use plastic wrap or parchment paper instead. Let the dough rise for 2 hours. After 2 hours the dough is ready to use. While you're waiting, prepare any toppings you want to put on the pizza. For cooking the pizza crust, roll out the dough with a rolling pin until it's 1/2 inch thick. Make sure it will fit on the frying pan you're going to use. If it's too big, tear off some of the dough and roll it out again so it's smaller. Then preheat a frying pan on a stovetop over medium heat. Place the frying pan directly over the burner you'll be cooking with. Let the frying pan preheat for at least 1 minute. Cook the dough on the frying pan for 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Make sure the dough is flat and centered on the frying pan. Cover the frying pan with a lid as you cook the dough. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip the pizza crust over with a spatula. Turn down the burner on the stove top to low. The pizza crust will continue to cook over low heat while you add the toppings. For adding the toppings, spread 1/2 cup of pizza sauce on the crust with a spoon. The crust should still be cooking in the frying pan on low at this point. Leave 1/2 inch of space around the perimeter of the crust with the sauce. Then sprinkle 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese over the pizza. Spread the cheese out evenly over the crust. Leave 1/2 inch of space around the edge of the crust like you did with the sauce. Add any other toppings you want on the pizza. If you're adding any vegetables, make sure they're chopped into small pieces so the pizza is easier to eat. Leave a 1/2 inch space around the edge of the crust like you did with the sauce and cheese. Then cover the frying pan and cook the pizza for 6 minutes on medium heat. Check on the pizza every 2 minutes to make sure it's not burning. When the cheese is melted and the bottom of the pizza crust is golden brown, the pizza is finished. Transfer the pizza to a plate with a spatula and serve. Use a knife or pizza cutter to cut the pizza into slices. Wrap leftover pizza slices in plastic wrap and store in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Have you tried this? Leave a comment down below and let us know what you think. And if you like this video, leave a like, share it with your friends and consider subscribing to our channel for more free tips.